Today we're memorizing 1 John 4:19. It's a short but important verse. Hi friends, I'm Miss Nancy Ruth.
And I'm Mr. Roger.
We want to see kids living for Jesus. This is part of Bible Drill Red Cycle. For more information, check out the description below. 1 John 4:19. We love him because he first loved us. 1 John 4:19. The cool thing about the gospel is that God loved us even before we loved him. He loved us and he wants us to be in a relationship with us. And we can have that when we confess our sins, we tell on ourselves to God, and we believe in Jesus. And we become God's child, and he helps us to love him back. Isn't that the coolest thing? But it doesn't have to stop there. We can love other people even when they don't deserve it because God loved us even when we didn't deserve it. Let's do our verse one more time. 1 John 4:19. We love him because he first loved us. 1 John 4:19. Don't forget to subscribe. We post memory verses in 4 translations, key passages, answers to Bible questions, and more. Check out our store and freebies at parentroadmin.com. We love you, friends. See you next time.